Have you ever found yourself doubting your own thoughts or memories because someone told you they were wrong? This is called gaslighting, one of the most subtle yet harmful forms of emotional manipulation. But what drives someone to gaslight? Today, we'll explore the biology behind gaslighting and what happens in the brain when someone manipulates others. Gaslighting is a psychological manipulation tactic where the gaslighter makes someone doubt their reality. It's often used to gain control or power, but this behavior may be deeply rooted in the biology of the brain. Let's dive into the science. First, we need to look at brain structures. One key region in people who engage in manipulation is the prefrontal cortex, which governs higher-order thinking, decision-making, and empathy. The prefrontal cortex helps us understand the consequences of our actions on others. Next, there's the amygdala, a brain region linked to emotional responses like fear, aggression, and control. Research shows that individuals with overactive amygdalas may respond to stress with manipulative or controlling behavior, seeing it as a way to maintain dominance. The amygdala triggers the fight-or-flight response, and gaslighting can be a way to keep someone in fight mode, maintaining power over them. Hormones also play a critical role. When someone is under stress or in conflict, hormones like cortisol and adrenaline flood the brain. For gaslighters, high cortisol levels can make them feel more prepared for confrontation. Cortisol helps them stay alert and reactive, fueling their need to dominate. Neurotransmitters are another important piece of the puzzle. Serotonin, which regulates mood and social behavior, is often lower in people prone to manipulation. Lower serotonin levels can lead to impulsivity and irritability, making gaslighting an easier tactic for those struggling with mood regulation. Dopamine, the reward neurotransmitter, plays a role in reinforcing gaslighting behavior. Every time a gaslighter successfully manipulates someone, they may experience a dopamine rush, reinforcing their behavior. This makes manipulation addictive for some, as they seek the reward of control and dominance. Beyond brain structures and chemicals, environmental factors also contribute. Studies show that individuals who grow up in high-conflict households may develop manipulative behaviors as coping mechanisms. When the brain is exposed to trauma or stress early in life, it adapts by finding ways to exert control, sometimes through harmful means like gaslighting. Early exposure to manipulative behaviors can rewire the brain, creating patterns that persist into adulthood. These individuals may see gaslighting as a way to maintain control in relationships or avoid feelings of vulnerability. From an evolutionary perspective, manipulation and dominance may have served a survival purpose. In ancient human societies, maintaining control over others could mean better access to resources and safety. Traits that allowed individuals to manipulate and control might have been passed down through generations. While this might have been beneficial in the distant past, in modern times, these behaviors are damaging to relationships and mental health. Gaslighting isn't about survival anymore, it's about control. Understanding the biology and psychology behind gaslighting can help us recognize it when it happens. Gaslighting isn't just a mental game, it's driven by a combination of brain structure, hormones, and past experiences. The next time you feel your reality is being questioned, remember that gaslighting is a form of control often deeply rooted in the manipulator's biology. Recognizing these patterns can help you protect yourself. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going and spread awareness about gaslighting and its impact.